Last night my eyes refused to close from the pain and 1,000 thoughts. Every day I talk to myself, carrying the weight of this life. Before I knew it, I started adrift. The clock said it was 5 a.m. I fell asleep so deep, I forgot I was hungry and thirsty. This is the story of last night in my sleep, that for a moment made the pain disappear. I wish letting go was as easy as sleep. Maybe then I wouldn't feel this here. This is the story of last night I wrote, made it a song so I won't forget. And if someday our paths cross again, will you sing it with me? I don't know what pulled me back awake. Hunger and thirst came back to stay. The weight keeps coming wave by wave, and the pain starts eating me away. I wish I could go as peacefully asleep when a soul slips away without a sound. No more remembering, no more feeling. That for a moment made the pain disappear. I wish letting go was as easy as sleep. Maybe then I wouldn't feel this here. This is the story of last night I wrote, made it a song so I won't forget. And if someday our paths cross again, will you sing it with me?